In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD step by step in the fastest and easiest way possible. If you're just getting started with AutoCAD, this is one of the most basic shapes you'll need to know. And once you learn it, you'll be able to create clean layouts, technical drawings, floor plans, and simple shapes much more efficiently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. This can be a brand new file or an existing project, depending on what you're working on. Once your drawing is open, look at the top of the screen and go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, you'll find a number of common drafting tools, and one of them is the Rectangle tool. Click Rectangle to activate it. As soon as you do that, AutoCAD is ready for you to place the shape in your drawing area. Now click once in this drawing area to set the first corner of your rectangle. This point becomes the starting corner, so choose the location where you want your rectangle to begin. After that, move your cursor away from the first point. You'll see the rectangle preview changing as you move, which helps you size it exactly the way you want. When you reach the opposite corner's position, click again to set the second corner. This completes the rectangle shape. If needed, you can keep adjusting your placement practice until you're comfortable with the size and position. Finally, press Enter to finish the command and exit the Rectangle tool. And that's it. You've successfully drawn a rectangle in AutoCAD. It's a simple process, but it's an essential skill that will help you move faster through future drawings and designs. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.